In this video, I'm going to show you how to open an Uber Eats account in France. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss any important steps. First, go to the Uber Eats website or download the Uber Eats app from the App Store or Google Play. On the homepage, click Sign Up. Next, enter your personal information, your name, email, and phone number. Create a strong password that's easy to remember. After that, check your email for a verification link from Uber Eats and click it to confirm your email address. Once verified, you can set up your payment method by adding a credit or debit card. This will make it easy to pay for orders or, if you're delivering, receive payments. Finally, fill out any additional information like delivery preferences and your location, and you're all set. And that's it. Your Uber Eats account is ready to go in France. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.